beautiful Elizabeth Hotel. And of course, we are here to have our breakfast. No? Dirita mamahaw sa Elizabeth Hotel. I hope you would subscribe to my Mamita Lacuatsera YouTube channel, ha? Yan, no? Very cozy yung place. It's in Cafe Flora sa Elizabeth Hotel. Time check, I think it's 6:10 in the morning. Check natin ang mga pagkain. Love the food. Yun. This is what they have for breakfast. Choices or kumba. Yan. Chicken hot dog, fish fillet, pancit canton, stir fry vegetable. Yan. O sa mga omelette. I'm going to have my breakfast here in Elizabeth Hotel. Good morning. One of my followers requested me for a 500 pesos breakfast meal challenge. And here right now, I have been here a lot of times, but every time I come here, there is always something new they offer. So, naatadiri ha, morning tubag na ako sa 500 pesos meal challenge regularly because I am a senior citizen. I'm entitled for my own 20% discount. Kalawa ang mga food na available. Hinahin lang ba? Yeah. May I remind everybody, breakfast to ha. Morning breakfast meal nila. Consider this. You have the best place because it is within the hotel. The food is sumptuous, especially breakfast dining, because it's newly cooked, freshly served, as you have noticed. Third is very efficient staff, waiters, as well as those food servers. They will assist you. This is my answer to the 500 pesos challenge for a breakfast meal. It's in Cafe Flora, Elizabeth Hotel, Cebu City. Have a blessed day. Don't forget to subscribe to my Mamita Lacuatsera YouTube channel, Facebook, Reel, Instagram, and TikTok. Thank you. For my breakfast, naatay umba. Always remember, dili nato i-deny ang ato galingon sa pagkaon. But always, portion by portion. Savor the taste of the food. naasad sila fish fillet. Di gutom. Kahit more than 14 hours of fasting. Nag-jogging pa ganiha. Di gutom. Okay. Kaning ilang egg omelette, naana ni siya daghan kaay nga mga condiments nga gibutang. So, mabusog ka ani kay daghan kay ining gisagol. Kani ba kani oh? Kanang nukos. Wow. Isaw-saw lang sa suka. Ito nyo. Importante yun nga mamahaw ta. Kay we need to have heavy meal for the whole day makasustain sa ato Kami mainit ka init pa sa tiyan. Sotanghon soup. Yes please, yes. Thank you. Abi niyo yung sotanghon is very good for Katungga diet. Tarurot din yung tawag ani. Tarurot. Nukos. Kanang mga gadaya. This is very good. Sa nagadaya. Wow. Tarurot na nukos na buwan. This is called slow. Pangwala sa umay. That's why I have eaten coleslaw. Not first, but later. Para mawala sa umay. Okay. Discuss why is it that breakfast is the most important meal of the day? Because murag nag-fasting manggod ta. Like pila ka hours na natulog. So maubitaw nang gitawag siya nga breakfast kay ni break ta sa ato fasting. No? That's why it's being called breakfast. Food should be enjoyed, no? We enjoy na to ato gikaon. Unfortunately, in a third world country, we eat, in most cases, we eat in order to survive. Kadaghanan manggod, ang essential ba, makakaon sila para mabuhi lang. Wala na balanced nutrition sa gikaon. That's how hard living in a third world country. So, mubalik na sagta sa ako advice to save. Save good. Mag-save good money. Ganiha bitaw gadaga-jogging ko. I saw a lot. Mga may dara na beggars. It breaks my heart, no? Kay our country was not designed to take good care of the elderly. Ang ato country, wala na siya ma-design to take good care sa elderly. Nakita bitaw nato diri sa Facebook, way respeto ang mga bata sa mga idaran. I've noticed that. Walay respeto sila. So, in my case, dili ko musugot nga basta-bastahon ko na bisag kinsa. Di good ko musugot. I will really fight my place, my space and my place because I work so hard. I hope you respect the elderly because they were ahead than you. They paved the way of what you have now. So mga elderly, nako nga mga viewers, no? Save. Put dignity in yourself. Yan sa mga bata, ayaw sad mo panghambog, eventually, matigulang sad mo. Yan, if you are not wary sa inyong lihok, sa inyong expenses, sa inyong lifestyle, if you are too proud and you have forgotten to have discipline in your life, in your physique, and you have not saved enough, ma-appeal mo sa mga statistics eventually. Ang lifespan sa tao karon is so short. Sa panahon na mo kay baby boomers mo, abot pa mig 70. Karon, ang pinakamababa na 60. Swerte na lang mo, 50, 60 kung maabot pa. Ang generations karon ha. Mauna na, I kept on sharing my video, my lifestyle. Kaya that's what my mother took. Swerte lang yun ko because I have a mother who trained me. I took good care for 15 years. So nakita na ako usaon ang paglihok sa usang nga tigulang, sa elderly. I've seen it. I saw it. And my mother taught me. Ano bitang importante sa elderly na dignidad. So how can you have dignity kung wala ka ani? If you have not saved, you will be relying from your children, from your relatives, from your friends. And where is the dignity if you are dependent from them? Siguro murag mabungol na mo kababalik na kog sulti. But this is just a reminder to all of you. To save. Okay? For my finale, naatay hot choco. And let's have some sweets. Gamay lang. Wow. Best part is it really puts smile on my lips. Share this video, mga kalakotsera. Wow. How do you call this one? I don't put sugar sa ako at choco. Hindi ko mag-sugar. Enough. Cheat day. Delicious. Nice strawberry. So, done with the 500 pesos challenge for breakfast. How much did I pay? Let me check. 327 pesos with less 20%. 294 lang na bayaran ko. Dito to sa Elizabeth Hotel. No? Cafe Flora. For a very sumptuous breakfast. The privilege of being a senior citizen. This helps a lot. For the generous discount, thank you very much sa Cafe Flora ng Elizabeth Hotel. I had a great time here. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my Mamita Lakotsera YouTube channel. Thank you.